Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. I'm very grateful to be in this platform. You too should be very grateful of that. If you've been wanting to trade for a very long time, you've been wanting to understand, and you have not really got time to do that, this is a great platform. We're not teaching people about trading here. We're not sitting here and teaching you about trading. We're just going to give you the basics. Yes, this is the most beautiful thing. You're sitting here, you're asking yourself, okay, fine. If they're not going to be teaching us a whole lot of this information, then why am I here? Actually, you are here because all the information that we're supposed to teach you or you're supposed to learn, you don't need to do that anymore. This time around, give it to the robot. Trust the robot. Give it to the robot. Sit, do nothing. The robot will do everything for you. Go to the market for you. It will sell for you. It will buy for you. It will do everything. What do you need to do? It's very, very, very simple. Get a link from a person who brought you here. Sign up. Activate your robot. You just buy a robot for $100. Put money in your Binance. Set up the robot. Start trading. We are living in a world of cryptocurrencies. We're going to move from the normal currencies that you know of. We're going to use cryptocurrencies. Whether you like it or not, the world evolves with you. Whether you don't want to understand or whether you want to agree on, that will happen anyway. Change with times. Get on with times. So the robot is going to do all the work for you. I'm going to present this to you. I want you to have this picture. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to break this down, this opportunity for you. And I'm welcoming you to the future. Of course, I'm talking about the future. Where in the world nowadays do you see anything that is not robot-oriented? Everything is just technologically robot-oriented. Even if you don't want to believe that, but the fact of the matter is, it is. Welcome to Quantitative Trading Strategy. And please, ladies and gentlemen, grab the era of digital currency dividend. Grab the era of digital currency dividends. You are going to enjoy your dividends by absolutely sitting down, hiring the robot, and you go to sleep, and it will do all this work for you. Very, very, very simple to use and operate. What is the strategy and what is this royal queue? The robot that you've been hearing, we're speaking of the robot day and night is going to be working. What is this robot all about? Now, this is a super intelligent application. What is it going to do for you? It is going to execute automatic intelligent trading, and it will do this in real-time monitoring, and it's going to track big data algorithms while it is adjusting in real-time marketing conditions. Well, in a normal day, ladies and gentlemen, you probably have to be going out there, learning about trades, learning everything about trades. That will include markets, that will include placing trades, that will include buying and selling, the language, the terminologies, every single thing that's got to be said. You've got to get on time with it. That requires a lot of time, a lot of energy, sometimes a lot of money. It requires a lot of money. And during the course of that, a lot of people have lost lots of money. They've given their money to people to want to trade for them. Never happened. Invested money, told that this is going to happen when they trade for you. Never happened. But now, trust this robot. Come and put your money here. Come and not invest. I want you to come and authorize and order the robot to work for you. We want you to be in control of your money and be controlled, and you order your robot around. The robot will work for you. This robot is going to work 24/7, and it's not only going to do that, it is going to read a whole lot of data algorithms. Data algorithms, you go out there, you realize that you check these computerized mathematical numbers that you see in the when people trade, and you don't even understand what is happening. Like I'm saying, you need a lot of time to understand all these things. The robot is going to read that for you. 24/7, 365 days a year, and the robot has been actually designed to only never sell on a loss, meaning that it will give you continuous income. It will give you continuous profit. How much do you like that? A whole lot of people want to trade, but because they've got emotions, they get scared, they listen to other people, they have lost a lot of money. How safe is this robot? Very, very safe, actually. I said to you, you probably lost a lot of money. Trusted people, thinking they can trade for you. Not anymore. You've done away with that now. Trust the robot. You're going to have two applications. The first application will be your RollQ application, which is the robot application. Wonderful, right? Then secondly, you have your Binance or your Hubo applications. Wonderful exchange platforms for cryptocurrencies. Now, these platforms are going to be your bank accounts. Now, your bank account, it is you who can only authorize the debits, the credits, and everything in it, right? Which means you are in total control of your money in your normal bank account, in the bank that you use. It is you who allow people to debit. It is you who allow people to credit money into your account, or whatever the case might be. It is you who authorize that, besides the other charges, but you are in control. This time around, you are still going to be in control of your money, this time through the Binance or the Hubo exchange. Meaning that you're not going to give your money to me. You're not going to give your money to anyone for that matter. Oh, you know what? You're just going to keep your money and control it yourself. And you're going to take this money or withdraw when you make profits anytime you deem fit. So now, what is going to happen with these two applications? We are going to bind them together. We are going to marry them. We are going to allow them to simultaneously work and make money for you through an API integration between the RollQ and your Binance or your Hubo, and your funds can therefore be withdrawn instantly at any time when you deem fit, without you taking orders from anyone. This is a very smart quantitative trading strategy that uses artificial intelligence to read algorithms, and it will automatically match quantitative trading strategies that are suitable for the current market situation. Now, the current market situation, take for instance, you've been watching the Bitcoin going up and down. The market is very volatile. If you have to be a trader in a volatile market or in any trading, you have to understand the market. You have to know when to make pairs. Pairs are like between a currency by another currency. Now we have the stable currency, the USDT that we are using, buying other currencies. So you've got to have pairs. This time around, you don't have to go out there and look for the right pairs. The robot will get the pairs for you. You don't even have to go out there and check the markets out. The robot will pick the best markets for you. I want the robot to trade for me. Pay the robot $100 and it will trade for you for 12 full months. Put $20 on the side. That is what we call gas fees. The gas fees is like transaction fees. When the robot is working up and down, it will need those gas fees. How to start? Like I said, get a link from the person who brought you here. Sign up. Download your RollQ. Activate your RollQ. Download your Binance. API. Bind them. Marry them. And then you're good to go. And this is working now. You realize that you're already making money. You can see the news. You can see everything that is happening. You want to go out there and share the opportunity with other people. How will you get compensated if you had to share this? How would you be sitting down now, like me, and you are teaching people about this opportunity who have been wanting to trade for a very long time? They've been scammed. They have lost a lot of money. They've been scared. If you had to do this and you have to share this opportunity, how much will you be making? And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming to the end of my presentation. I'm going to give away to Leadership Kabanda and tell you about the compensation plan, the marketing side of you going out there and sharing the business with a whole lot of people. Leadership Kabanda.
Ladies and gentlemen, when you decide to become a member by activating your robot with $100 and pick your link and share it with anyone, whenever you share, you receive 30 USDT, which is equal to $30. Also, the company, that is what we call a robot activation game. The next way you make money is from the profit sharing. What's profit sharing? This robot has 80/20 rule of sharing. 80% of the profits will go to the trader, that is you, and 20% will be taken by the robot. But remember, like I said, the robot never touches your money in your Binance or Hubo. That there is what we call the API integration or the API binding, ladies and gentlemen, that restricts the robot from touching the money that is into your Binance exchanger or that is into your exchanger. And this API binding, ladies and gentlemen, prevents the RollQ robot only to do spot and margin trading and not allowed to withdraw your funds. Like you see down here, it can enable reading, but it can enable spot and margin trading. But even if I want it to withdraw my money, it is not accepted. Ladies and gentlemen, that is opportunity that is in your hands. So once you share the opportunity, everyone has security of their money. So the 80/20 principle, or 80/20 profit sharing, 20% of this profit is got from the gas fees or the fuel that you put into your royalty, and that is the $20. So you put in $100 plus the $20, which is a total of $120. Whenever the robot makes profit, it will take off 20%, and that 20% will be distributed as follows. The robot will keep up 6% and give as a network incentive 14%. But the whole total sum of the 20% will be turned into 100%. The robot takes off 30% and it removes 70% to the network incentives. As a V1, you will always receive 20% whenever anyone in your team does any transaction and they make a profit. Ladies and gentlemen, at 21:26 minutes 36 seconds, I received. At 21:26 minutes 33 seconds, I received. At 21:26 minutes 33 seconds, I received. At 21:26 minutes 32 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 seconds, I received. At 21:26 31 seconds, I received. At 21:26 31 seconds, 21:26 31 31, 21:26 30, 21:26 29, 21:26 29, 21:26 28, 21:26 27, 21:26 27, 21:26 26, 21:26 20. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are ready to earn per minute, welcome on board. And that's how it will be calculated depending on your level. So as a V1, you'll be receiving as much as you want. So if you are tired of this level and you want to become a V2, only bring 3 people directly brought by you and work with them and have a team of 20 and you become a V2. When you become a robot activation gain will go to 40%, which is $40 or 40 USDT, and your team reward will also shift from being 20% to 30% of the 70%. But as a V2, whenever anyone under you activates their robot, you will be receiving what in our team we call the pop-up popcorns. These pop-up popcorns are the $10 that keep on coming whenever anyone activates their robot. You know, it keeps on popping up and popping up. $10, $10, $10, $10, $10. As if they are popcorns jumping out of a saucepan. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are tired of being a V2, I want to become a V3, only it is 5. So you had 3, add on 2, then it'll be 5, and have 3 V2s in your team, ladies and gentlemen, and the total team member of 100 members, and you become a V3. When I met one of my friends online 1 week ago, who makes over $10,000+ every day, I found out he has 2 legs, he has 2 eyes. I looked at him in the Zoom, I saw he had only 2 lips. He had 2 nostrils, he had the same skin. The fingernails were there, and I would smile better than him. Hello. So as a V4, you'll be getting 60 USDT whenever you share your link. 50% on the team bonus of the 70%. One of the problems I'm suffering from is sleeping every day with a minimum of $100 on my account. But when I started, I only had $85. Ladies and gentlemen, you are going to make money, either you like it or you don't like it. Just go to the person that's invited you and get the link. I can't wait to welcome a few key leaders. You don't know what it feels if you were only surviving on $85 and you start 100 before you sleep. It is crazy. It might be too little for you, but it's too much for me. Oh. So allow me just invite some key leaders. Some key leaders, yes. I'll start with the physiotherapists all the way from Kenya. A gentleman who's a V2 leader, Bwibo. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kabanda, for the good work that we are doing in Uganda and Africa as a whole. I'm glad to be given a chance to speak to us again today. And I'm very happy that the process of getting popcorns is going on very well. And as a V2, you actually earn from every person that joins your team a $10 surprise bonus. So sometimes you earn something that you are not even expecting. So when you are working hard to get new people, your team members are also working hard to get their own new people, and therefore you end up getting an incentive that is just to help you grow your team and help support your team. I'm very happy to be at this level, and I'm hoping that the Lord is going to help me also cross over with several of us joining us in the next team. It's a very beautiful opportunity, and it's a very nice opportunity, and especially now that the Bitcoin is going up, I can see many people are now making a lot of profit because now the robot is making sales and it's creating profit for us. Thank you very much for giving me this chance. I'm very happy. I'm Chadwick Bwebo in Nakuru, Kenya, and I'm happy to be associated with the Royal Q. Thank you very much.
Wow. Thank you so much, great leader, a physiotherapist from Nakuru in Kenya. Ladies and gentlemen, I will now move from Kenya and go to West Africa and invite a leader that has built a great team in Europe. When he came our team, we started to receive complete metamorphosis of business transformation. That is none other than Leader Kampasodai from Ghana. Welcome, great leader.
The security of your funds is the number one. And the amazing thing is the withdrawals. I'm leading a program, and withdrawal is something else. You withdraw, you receive it the next week. You withdraw today, you receive it Tuesday next week. You withdraw once a week. You can't even withdraw your money. You have to divide it into 10% of your money. In fact, what I'm saying is that if you are here and you have this opportunity, don't wait for anything. Call for the link from your upline and sign up. It is so great. And I think return on investment will vanish very soon. If we rise and we begin to talk about it, and the world got to know about it, all of them will come and join us. So work hard and let's push the vision far, and we are going to be great. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It has been a pump. Pleasing pleasure. I've got this now. It has been a pump. Pleasing pleasure. It kills me all the time. Pump, pleasing pleasure. With the ever vibrant leadership Julius Kabanda. My friend, tomorrow until we meet again, it's a goodbye for now. Goodbye, everyone.